Good day, ma'am. I am Jefferson A. Bangayan from BSIT 1 version. I will explain now our program. As you can see, we use the scanner type. This is all the initialization variables. You can see here all physical variables. And then this is the menu. And you will see all the description of the menu. And then if you type yes, what or y, the purchase item, you will go to the purchase item and it will ask you if you, what will you gonna buy and what will you gonna buy another one. And then if you type no, and it will exit the program.
I'm Gian Clyde Cabatic. We'll discuss my parts and codes. After the user input in purchase, it will continue to the for loop. In the for loop, first, we declare the variable CTR as int. Will be our counter and initialize its value to 0. The loop will be counted by incrementing it, and the loop will continue until it reaches 5. If the user input y, it will go here in the if statement and print out the company name, the location, and purchase order. After that, the program will ask the user for the product code. After getting the product code, it will store it to the array code and will count the counter as 1. Else, if the user input y in the purchase, it will go to the else if statement and system and will print out thank you and break the menu. Else, if the user input a wrong letter in the purchase, it will print out invalid input. If the for loop condition is met, it will go here in the else if statement. The if statement will confirm that the CTR is greater than 4 and will print out of products. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Lumere. I'm a Francisco and I'm explaining the switch statement in our program. Switch code with control array to uppercase. This is to make the code uppercase only. ITN counter array mouse. ITN is our items. System.out print line enter quantity. The user will put the quantity of the items in here. After that, quantity counter array is equals to sc.next int. But if quantity is less than 0, then the system will print out invalid quantity and run again. After that, it will continue to purchase back in here and go back to the start from select product code. After that, price of the mouse is 500. Price control array counter array is equals to 500. Amount counter array is equals to quantity times price. The total amount plus equals amount, and then system that print line amount plus amount counter array. String amount is equals to sc.next line. Break. In this case, it is the same as the first case. From here to A005, they're all the same. Except here, break, and then default. If none of None of the cases were met the input. It will output invalid input and continue back to the purchase and select product code. That is all.
Hi, my name is Gualbert Talamor, and we will discuss the source code of output 3. At first, we will ask the client if they willing to add an item. If they input no, it will display a receipt which contains the shop name, the location of the shop, and the order list of the client. To do that, we use for counter is equals to 0, counter is less than code.length, then it will display the product code, item name, the unit price of each product, the quantity, and the subtotal amount of each order. Then it will counter plus plus to increment. The total amount is the overall amount of the client's order, and it will display it on this block. Then after that, if there's a new customer, if they say yes, it will continue to purchase. Then if no, it will display thank you for shopping, then break the menu for the system. It will exit. Then if they said yes, or if they input Y on add item, if counter is greater than or equal to 4, the system will display out of products, then it will print a receipt again, then else continue to purchase. Else it will display invalid input, then system.exit. That's it. Thank you.